Hey everybody, Logan James here from Davis Chevrolet, right here in Airdrie. In Airdrie and Calgary, good to connect with you again. And the rest of Canada, welcome to the party. Today I'm going to give you a first-person walk around of the fully redesigned 2019 GMC Sierra. This one's a friggin' Denali. Let's get started. Let's look under the hood. Now when you look under here, this is the 6.2 liter engine, one of our legacy engines. Fantastic. They come in the Corvettes as well. Another big change, we've moved the whole engine compartment back 8 inches for a better center of balance. We have a great firewall up here, nice and quiet. And one of my favorite things, God forbid we took a head-on collision right on the front of this Denali grill. This engine's designed to go down and away rather than pile into everyone's knees. Now that's GM quality. Take a look at the styling as we go around here. Next up, I wanted to talk about the rims. Check these out, 22-inch. Now, everybody and their dog has the black rims, and everybody and their dad has the chrome rims. So I say, why not get both? And on the new Denali, you can. Look at these running boards too, guys. We've extended them further this year, so you can cowboy right up over the top. Let's take a quick look inside the cab, and we'll take a better look after, but take a look at this. Leather stitching, heated steering, and for the first time ever, we got heated seats in the back row here too. Come on around and take a look. So I'm 6 foot, lots of room in here, more headroom. You can see how my knees fit, nice and flush here. And check this out, this little secret. You can put your secrets right in there. Little cabinet behind the back seat. Awesome. Let's go check out the back. Now this is it. This is the show right here. This is where it's at. We have bigger corner steps than ever before, so you can get your winter boots in there. Dual tipped exhaust and the multi-pro tailgate by GMC. Oh my Atlanta. Would you look at this? Get those jazz hands out, right? Now this has 6 configurations. It's good for 375 pounds. But you know what? I'm not here to hit you over the head with an encyclopedia. I'm here to excite you. Now you're probably asking, Logan, why in the heck do you got a 72.5-inch 2x4 in the back of this truck? Well, I'll show you. Check this out. That just happens to be exactly how wide our tailgates are. Or truck beds, I should say, folks. Look at this, 72.5 inches across there. Now what I like to do is when people are shopping the competition, I send this with them. That doesn't go over as well with the competition because it might not fit, folks. Come on around, let's look inside the cab. Get that for you, have a seat and check out those controls. Now inside here, guys, we have for the first time ever push button start. Let me fire that up right there. Sounds good. Some great controls in here as well. Heated cooled seats, lane departure. We have auto stop. You can even turn it off if you don't want it on. Parking sensors. Heated steering, wireless charging, internet hotspot. We have everything. And this mirror, this is something to talk about. Look at this. Nice, sleek looking mirror, but boom. You can see everyone in our showroom right there. What a camera. You can zoom in and out. You can control the brightness. One other thing I want to show you guys here before we go is the backup camera. Check out the screen there. Now when you look at this, we have all kinds of cameras, just like our Corvettes. But we have even more. Hitch mode. Look at the hitch mode. You got your curb views all the way around the world. Front side, back side, look at this. Top side of your trailer while you're backing in, everything. So with the My GMC app, you can get the trailer app as well. You can set up whatever you need to. So are you guys ready to go? I'm gonna drive first so you can familiarize yourself with the controls. And then are you ready to drive Canada? Let's go.